Alright, let's look at the homework 1, problem number 4. Alright, so let's carry out this multiplication. Alright, so what we need to do is basically keep on distributing. Right, so I'm going to just start with this guy, x cubed, and I'm going to distribute x cubed to all three terms in the second set of parentheses. Alright, so let's do that. So this is going to be equal to, right? So you have x cubed times 17x squared would be, so 17, right? So 3 and the 2, so you have x to the 5th power. We just have to add those powers together. Plus, right, so we have 17 again. Right, so x cubed times x would be x to the 4th. Right, so you have minus 17 times x cubed. Right, so we're done with that guy. Right, so let's do the next one. I'm going to distribute x squared. So I'm going to do x squared here. And to do the same thing, distribute that to all three terms. So it's looking a little bit messy here. All right, so when you do x squared times 17x squared would be 17x to the 4th. So I'm going to actually place it here. So it's going to be plus 17x to the 4th. So that I try to line up with the the term with the same powers. All right, so next one would be 17x cubed. So it's going to be plus 17x cubed. All right, the next one would be x squared. It's going to be minus, so minus 17x squared. So we have 17x squared. All right, and the next term, I'm going to probably use a different color here. So x is distributed to all three terms there. All right, so we get x times 17x squared would be positive 17x cubed, right? And x times 17x is positive 17x squared. And the last one is negative 17x. All right, and the last one, so we distribute 1 to all three terms. All right, so you're going to get basically the same thing as that. So you have plus 17x squared plus 17x minus 17. All right, then you can see that there are a bunch of things that we can cancel. So let's go ahead and cancel those. All right, so if you look at this, there's we look at these columns here. All right, so we have a negative 17x cubed, cancel with the positive of the same thing. All right, so negative 17x squared, cancel with the positive 17x squared. All right, and there's a negative 17x, and you have a positive 17x. All right, then we just have to collect the leftover terms. So this is going to be, right, 17x to the 5th. Right, so that's this guy. Right, then if you combine those two guys, we're gonna get 34. 17 plus 17 is 34. X to the 4th power, and then we have 17x cubed. So plus 17x cubed. And here is 17x squared. And then you have a minus 17. All right. So let's type this guy in. All right. So we got the 17x to the 5th plus 34x to the 4th plus 17x cubed and plus 17x squared and minus 17. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.